Hi guys, today we're gonna talk about the case when statement, SQL case when statement, or any other case when statement. Really, they work the same way. So how does it work? Right. So in this case, as you can see, we selected everything from this table, MBT sample. So everything here is order number, item order, or order item rather, and order date. So these three columns is what it's in the table. So select star means select everything. 1, 2, 3. We selected all the columns in the table, and then we are making a fourth column called order type using a case one statement. So what we're basically doing here is that we look at this table here, order date, this column here, order date, and we say, okay, so we have dates here, and they are not easy to digest when they're like this. It's a timestamp date. So we want to group these dates uh, into two categories. We want to see if the order type is a current order or is it an old order. So that's where a case one statement comes in, when you're trying to categorize or group a certain column, right? So I'll show you, for example. So this case one statement says case one order date, which is this column here, is greater or equal to March 1st 2022, then categorize that as current order. Else, which means if it is less than this, call it old order. Else just basically means that if this condition is not met, here, then call it old order, and then you end your case one statement with assigning it column name. So you see end as column name order type, which is why you see an order type here. I hope that makes sense, guys, and we can just confirm the result. So we say, okay, let's look at this equation and see if it's true. It says when order date is greater or equal to May 1st 2022, and then current order. Let's look at a date where it's greater or equal to March 1st, 2022. For example, here, March 3rd, 2022. Then this fits in this equation. So that's why here you have a current order even here. But for dates before March 1st, like this one, it was in January, then it's an older date. So basically that's what your case one statement does. So in this case, we categorized or grouped this order date by creating a new column where it gives us the two groups, old order or current order, so that we don't have to look at dates. It's not convenient like this. We can just look at this, and then we know that this it's organized nicely. Thank you very much for joining me today, guys. Please like and subscribe for more.